Let me see here. Oh! I'm in so much pain! Help! It's my leg! It doesn't look that bad. Just wait there. Look at this! I think I broke my leg! Oh my! That looks bad. Don't worry, you'll be okay. I'll be right back. Will this change your mind? Take a seat. I thought so. I love my job. Ouch! 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 I guess I'll just sit here. How long until I'm called? Oh, come on! 300? What number's next? I'll be here all day. Unless… it would be rude not to take it. I'll have that. Don't worry. It won't be long. What's going on over there? You don't look that serious anyway. Yes! My turn! Woohoo! Will I be okay? Whoa! Back up! Come on! Move it! What's going on? I forgot my bag. Find it! Oh, hold on. Got it! Oh, it suits me. Careful! Whoops! So rude. Oh no! I missed my turn. Is this the worst injury you've seen? It is, isn't it? How do you even use crutches? So which bed is mine? This is so dull. There's not a lot I can do about that. I know. I have some ideas that might give it a touch of class. I'm on it. Much better. All it needed was someone with style. Wow! I love it! Now it feels cozy. Maybe I can do something similar. It can't be that difficult. Huh? It's worse! How is that possible? Whatever. It's important I feel comfortable. I'm glad that's not my bed. Okay. We've gotta change your clothes for you. Ugh. No. We're not a clothes shop. I don't care. Nice, huh? As if… Is this suitable? That's cute! Yes! At last! Why don't I get a nice dressing gown? Ew, gross! Why is this so dirty? Quiet. I'm trying to relax. Well, a bed is a bed. Ouch! How ridiculous. A little help? I'm so bored. There must be something to do in here. A little television. Anything. What is that? Spider! What kind of hospital is this? Oh, what's that? I need some fun. Hello? Yes, I want to be entertained. This should be good. Did someone say they like balloons? Seriously? Oh, he's good! Pretend you didn't see that! Okay. Maybe it'll get better. Hola! And watch this! Oh, impressive! Get your own clown! Hey you! Fix this! Aw, that's not fair. I wonder what's going on. Watch the balls fly through the air! Trick time! Watch it! Wow, he's a bad juggler. Hey, that hurt! I'm bored with this. Now's my time to shine. Oh, I want to see? I'll remove my own thumb. Ooh! Are you seeing this? It's sorcery. Thank you. That was good! Just a normal rabbit. I'll place it in my hat. Get in there. Fascinating! And the bunny is transformed! Amazing! How did I get here? I can't believe I'm missing a magician! Behold, I will transform these matches using my mind. I'll just say the magic words. Abracadabra! Oh, oops. Is that supposed to happen? I'm done with this. Next! Are you ready to rock? A concert? I need to see this! Maybe I can squeeze through here. Perfect. Solo time! This is terrible. This is hard work. And suddenly, things got interesting. Let's see where this goes. Okay, you can stay. I've got an idea. Keep playing. You're a natural. Rock on! I like him. Me too. Where did you come from? Get out of here. Please, continue.
The drums make noise when I hit them.
Wow, you don't say. I love you. Hello, ladies. It's mealtime. At last! I'm so hungry! Ugh, what is this? Is this even food? If I get ill, at least I'm in the hospital. Oh, that smells bad. Here goes. Oh, it's awful. Actually, it's worse than awful. It's terrible! I'm not eating that. Here you go. Huh? Take it away. Is this dog food? Bring me something else to eat. I'll make it worth your while. Of course. I wish all my patients were like you. I just want something tasty. Not a problem. Have a look at this. Thank you. I'm not wanting sushi. Ooh, a juicy steak. Maybe not. Nope. This looks good. I'll have this. Give me the pasta. Just press the image. It's express delivery. Oh, okay. Wow, that is good service. It looks delicious. I can't wait to try it. Delicious. It's better than any hospital food. I could get used to this. Yummy. You know, hospital isn't that bad. What a lovely meal. Is there anything for dessert? Ooh, fruit. I love grapes. I couldn't eat another bite. All that food has made me sleepy. I've got major food envy. Ooh, she's fallen asleep. Now's my chance. I need to sneak over there. Time for the perfect crime. She suspects nothing. Soon those tasty grapes will be mine. Ow! Does she mean that? Easy. Nice and quiet. I swear that was deliberate. Focus. Almost there. Gotcha! Really? At least I got one grape. I'm starting to think this is personal. What did I do to deserve this? Rich or poor, being stuck in the hospital is bad enough, but your roommate could make things a whole lot worse. If you were in the hospital, how would you entertain yourself? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one.